Hey everyone, and TJ Maxx. This is going to be $17. It does have a pocket on the side. Now up here we have a lot of the green bags. I'll show you who makes it. This one is $29.99. Nanette Lepore. It says Nanette Lepore. I know a lot of people, they say they hate that. Here's another bear paw for $20. Okay, that would save that for like winter for me. These are $25, no, $35. These are kind of cute, and this one has a zipper. Normally they don't have a zipper, but I really like this one. Let's see, retails for $150, $49.99. This is actually really, really nice. I like the suede, the leather suede. There's that other bear paw in pink. We just saw that. And a Juicy Couture, $20 over the shoulder. These are $17. A more juicy. I know we've seen those. Anything new in the belt department today? Okay, this one's gonna be new. $12.99. It's kind of cool looking. Okay, we have the pink one. That is $10, and these are $12.99. More, there's another denim one, but this Steve Madden right here is cute. Vince Camuto is $15. These stretchy. Let me walk over here. Okay, we just seen that bag so many times. I'm gonna skip on that. These are gonna be new. They're $13. I haven't seen these. $13. Ooh, I've never seen the black one. $35. I've seen like the tan, the off-white, the denim. I feel like black would just go perfect with everything, in my opinion. Oh gosh, you get beads on here with this. Steve Madden Girl, $29.99. Oh, look at this tiny guy. Gosh, there's like makeup on it though. $20, but you can wipe that off. I feel like you can wipe that off. Some more bear paw in the black. And everything here on the wall is beach totes. Nothing new. These are all the same. The only thing new is down here. Oh, is that like 25? I don't know. It says Disney baby on it, so it could be like a fanny pack for you, little diaper wipes in there. I don't know. Do whatever you want with that. I like these bags. $29.99. Says Ola on it. One said Chow. It was blue. Okay, on this side, True Religion, $35. Look at that. It's like a big jean. It's huge though. And then we have the bucket. Not the buckle, sorry. $25. This is kind of cute too. Another denim one. $39.99. It's a backpack. That's adorable. And kind of like a de-stress denim. Removable strap. $35. Love the large logo right in front. And your strap says True Religion on it. That's cool. I'm glad we're finding new bags. I'm glad I came down this aisle. $35. Because I was about to give up on the handbags. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, oh, there's nothing. $35. This one. Look at this guy. Don't know why I always refer to like things as guys. That is just my thing for some reason. Because somebody complained to me. I'm like, that's just something I do. I'll just say, oh, look at that little guy there. I don't know. Oh, they have the denim, the darker one. Okay. How do you guys feel about this style though? Okay, I'm gonna turn on the light. Okay. Most of these are going to be $17, and I do like how they're adjustable because normally they're not, but I like how they're coming adjustable now. I feel like to wear like beaded stuff, so they're kind of cute. We got like the pink. This one's not adjustable, turquoise, and of course the thicker ones on top. Okay, I don't think I've seen this one. $12.99. Okay, that's kind of cute. They are $12.99, like the little cuff. Look at that. That's adorable. We got the Mickey ice cream. These are 10. They say bride on it. This one's gonna be 10. And you got the heart shape. They still have plenty of Disney stuff down here though, like the little bracelet. These are new, $280. Okay, I have this all black one. The Coach colorful necklace, $29.99. Look at that ring, that's kind of cool. And these are going to be 30. There's plenty to choose from. The rings are 25, which is like not bad actually for the rings. They're kind of cute. They're not black. They look like like the Marvel navy blue. So yeah, you could probably see that. Well, you can't see the blue in there, but that's 25. Okay, bubble necklaces. Guys, do not forget to go to Ross. Well, some Rosses. The last Ross video I did, they had a lot of jewelry, like a lot of like men chains. Actually, some men chains are not bad, like for women. I like their crossed ones. These are huge. Let's see, $12.99. This is $12. No, this is $15 right here. 15. I feel like I could go to home, you know, like those DIYs, like at Home Depot and Lowe's, the chain department. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I want to say this one is 20 because this little kid bought one. He was so excited.
Oh yeah, you got one with the cross on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was looking for the $15 ones. I think that's all he had, but he's like so excited. It was funny.
Yeah, these are like $17 too, so not bad. And some of these rings, like this ring at the end is like 15. There's some more rings on top, $12.99.
Dracula ring.
Where?
It's like got a red.
Oh. And a lot of the lions today. I want to say Betsy Johnson, $29.99. The peacock earrings are $17. Oh gosh, look at that cuff. And there's a ring to match. That is kind of cool. Here's a butterfly cuff too. That's only $15. Okay, they're not expensive. And $15 for the butterfly earring. So the cross necklace I saw here last time is gone. Got a blue and green one. That's what happens when you don't get it. They have the scissor one. Okay, the cotton candy one doesn't smell good. I want to smell this one, Cocoa Rush. This is 15. Okay, so it's $15. This smells exactly like the one I just put on this morning by Bath & Body Works. But I noticed the Bath & Body Works body sprays, I can't smell it anymore. That's why I don't really buy them.
It wears off after
Yeah.
10 minutes.
But this is a perfume. This smells pretty good. Truly Cocoa Cloud. This is 17, and it's about the same price as a, well, 15. I don't know what it is now. I normally only go in there when they're having their like major sale. Not bad. It does smell like vanilla, like really good. Smell the vanilla and a little bit hint of coconut, my husband says, but I smell mainly vanilla. But this is pretty good. Okay, what else? I don't want to. I smelled these before. There's right here. Always go for the ones that kind of look a little different because sometimes they smell good. Don't be discouraged by the. I know, like a book. Don't judge a book by its cover. You know how we do that.
So cute.
It smells like a car air freshener.
It's alright. It's alright. It's not bad. Not bad.
I don't know if you remember like the Garfield.
Make a
one
move.
That was like powdery smelling.
Fan and Flow. They all smell like a dupe for Bath and Body Works body sprays. Let's try this one.
Remember like those stuffed animal air
Shakira.
fresheners? That's what it smells like.
I want to smell True Religion. Their body spray is not good though.
Yes, that's so strange.
That's alright. This is alright. The Make a Move. Like you could smell it, right?
It smells like a lotion scent though.
Yeah, it's not musky, but it's not sweet. Like if you're into sweet, don't get it. But I like my perfume a little like.
I like Candy Girl.
I don't. Okay, exfoliating gloves. These are $5.99. Any new makeup bags? Oh, I have like the dog ones. They're back with the dog. And the clear ones, the Glam Barbie, of course. Okay, kitchen. I want to say this one might be new. Have we not seen this? Let me bring it up. That is going to be $5.99, you guys. The Nautica boats are still here. Oh, here's, I have not seen this Hello Kitty one. So they do have that. But everything looks the same. Let me look at coasters, because they're kind of cool looking. I like the beaded one. Those are $8. Oh. Does this one come in a pack? $7? I wonder if these came together. They're all separated. And these are 20. I know people who do nails, they like to put their paint on here. So they might just come here and do it. Okay. This is their kitchen areas. Again, I'm in the tiny TJ Maxx. It's tiny. But their kitchenware looks the same. These are 17. These are like the flowy. I love the blue. The food, we got Jelly Belly gummy, sea salt, sesame sticks. I'm hungry. I shouldn't be here. I'm like, I can hold out till I'm done. That's one thing. What is that? Freeze-dried candy, lunar lemon. Are these like lemon drops or just like lemon Skittles? But you know they can't name it Skittles or anything like that. So they have to name them different. Freeze-dried, sour, candy, freeze numbs. Okay. The Lodge is 15 here, in case you're wondering. Papa, the mesh. Not as much in stationery. Oh my gosh. Strawberry scented. Oh, they're not Smensels in school. They're called Smensels. Kind of funny. But they used to be only, well, they used to be like 50 cents, but I believe they've gone up to like $1 now. Like on Smensels, or maybe $1.50. That's kind of cute, right? Cute frames. Let me walk over here. Let me pan out. Nobody's there. Oh gosh, mirrors. They're $50 for the long mirror. The disco one is still around. They got pink and purple. You got a Zen elephant guy.
Ooh, look at the mushrooms. One makes you grow, one's an extra life.
Oh, I was like, what are you talking about? These are new. Oh gosh. And of course the cat. We always, oh my gosh, this one might be new. Yeah, that one's 17.
Oh, look at this.
There's a shepherd baby. Look at him. He's so spiffy with his like coat. Okay, a queen sheet set. That's 20. Cute strawberry one. Checkered, 17. Look at this blue one by Laura, 45. And here's a cherry one. Oh gosh, there's cat. Little cat. Okay, this is cute. Wish they had this in black though. You pull it down. It's open. I want to say it's going to be 20. Let me find out. Aha! It is 20. I was right. Normally the dresses are like 20 bucks. And then we have this flowy one. Okay, if you're in the market for like the jumpsuit, they do have these jumpsuits here. They're 17. I know a lot of people like them. This is a Calvin Klein one. This is a skin tight. And look over here, all white. There's a green one. That's 20. You know what? You know what look cute with this? This is not bad. Like this baby doll type. If you buy one of those belts, the strappy belts that come here, like the vest belt here, and then it buckles here, this will look good. It'll make the outfit a little more different. And this one is 15. Okay, that one's fine. I think these are shorts. Nope. Okay, we have like this denim skirt. This is 15. These are cute too. Size, I mean $12.99, sorry. $12.99. They used to have a bright orange one. The polka dot one's adorable too. $12.99. And this might do it for this occasion. Let me pull out this blouse right here. It is 20. Just like a flowy floral. We have a denim here. Better cotton, 17. Like it could roll on the bottom. For Rachel Zoe, 17. And then that. These are 10 by Adrian. Is it Adrian Pittadini? Nope. Adriana Papel. Am I saying that right? Look at the green pant. I'm gonna go around this way. Got the lavenders in here. You got more of the dark colors. Oh yeah. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. It's kind of cute. You know, I'm not really, I try to like wear like something different, like that floral print shirt, blouse. I can't do it. I mean, it looks cute on a hanger, but then I'm all like, I think I'm like one of those people where it's going to take forever to get used to wearing something like that because I don't wear flower stuff. I don't know.